Hey, Brian here, Tampa Scalping. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. So just want to do a quick review on my bike here. This is a 2019 Indian Chieftain Dark Horse. And what I did is I put a 18-inch tire on the front, 18 5.5 I think. And the tire is a 180 55 18. So custom painted that. This is a custom fender. I think it's called Fats Fenders. At the windshield here with a little bit of a lip. I got the exhaust, Reinhardt exhaust, and I have the Voodoo airbox, and I got it retuned to the upgrade, the stage 2. I also have all the speakers redone. So 210s on this side with custom speakers here, and the amp is on this side, so I have enough room to put all my stuff. But yeah, so just doing a quick review on my bike, Indian Chieftain Dark Horse. What I really like about the bike is it's nice and smooth. It's got enough rumble. It sounds good with that fat front tire. It rides really smooth. I like the Harleys, but I felt Harleys were a little bit rougher ride, and which is okay. I was just looking more of a smoother ride because I'm coming from a Hayabusa to this. So, but yeah, just a quick review about my bike, 2019 Indian Chieftain Dark Horse with the fat front tire. And there's really, actually, I think there's a couple fat front tire kits, but not that many. But I actually ordered this and kind of put it all together myself. So besides that, hope everyone has an awesome day. See ya.